Mm-hmm. This is our small entrance. Mayroon din ditong ayan. Meron na namang nakita si Luis na kitten daw. Bigyan na naman ng pagkain. Ay, ayun na, oh, ayun na, oh, tabakbo na. Ah. It's very cute. Miming, miming. Miming, miming. Miming, miming.
Mama, maybe this is the cat from Simone.
Oh, maybe. Ay, go out.
It's small.
It's cute, the color, no?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Maybe it's from this cat because, Mama, maybe it's from this cat because maybe it's the same. The mark. It's almost the same, the mark, Mama.
But that is not the mother.
No, maybe it's the mother.
No, it's not. Ayan na naman. Pagkaguluhan na naman yung pusa ng iba. Kaya umuwi ang pusa. Dalawang pusa nang umuwi dito sa amin.
It's so cute.
Ah?
Do you like the kitten? Can you?
Can you what?
You already take a video of the kitten.
Yes. Ayan na naman guys. Narinig nyo.
Kitten.
Kitten na naman. Hindi yun sa kanya.
Kitten is so cute. Kitten.
Pag may pumapasok dito na pusa, hindi na uuwi. Ayan guys. Ito yung aming harapan na namumulaklak. Ayan. Ayan yung mga empty na yan dyan. Pag spring, may mga bulaklak yan dyan, pero namamatay na. Ito yung naalala nyo na post ko na pink at saka yellow kala lily. Ayan, ito siya.
Did you hear Mama down?
Yes, libiit. Ayan, nagkakagulo na naman yung utak niya sa pusa. Tingnan mo yung necklace niya nandito. Yan, open na. Kahapon hindi pa. Thank you for watching our video guys. Mayroon pa yan dito sa gilid ng gray.